I'm Caitlin Masakian, and this is my environmental science sustainability project. Today I will be teaching you all how to make a sustainable bird feeder from a water bottle. I think that this is a sustainable idea because every year Americans throw away 22 billion plastic bottles per year, which is enough to circle the world 4 times. So instead of throwing this away, if we can turn it into a crafty way to get birds their food every day, I think that'll be a much smarter and much more sustainable way to get rid of our waste. What you will need is your water bottle. You'll need a few sticks to put for the birds to be perched on. I just found these sticks in my backyard. If you rather use pencils or chopsticks, those work great too, but I found these sticks, so I'm going to use these. You will also need, obviously, some bird seed. I have sunflower seeds, which they'll love too. Some twine to tie up the bird feeder onto a tree. And you will also need a ruler for measurements, scissors, and a little pin. And I have this pocket knife, so I'll be cutting with these and poking holes with this part. So our first step is going to be to poke holes at the bottom right about there-ish. And this will be for our little sticks for the birds to be perched on. So you're going to want to poke it with, you can use a push pin, but I'm going to use this. So you want to poke it through. I poked it right here, and then you're going to want to make it a little bigger with the scissors, kind of circle it around. So now that is my hole, and you want to do it on the opposite side as well. So now this is going to be the bottom perch for the birds to sit on. So now what you want to do is you want to do the next one going the opposite direction. So it should go like this, and you want it to be a little higher up. So I'm going to put it right about there-ish, right about here. Okay. So these are our 2 little perches. It looks like a little cross on the bottom, and these are what the birds will sit on. So now our next step is to poke some drainage holes at the bottom, so the water that may get in when it's raining is able to drain out and it doesn't ruin the seed in here. So we'll just poke about 3, and you don't want them to be too big to the point where seeds will be slipping out. So you just want it to be big enough for some water to drain out. So now that we have our 3 drainage holes, the next thing is to make 4 feeding holes 4 centimeters above each stick. So now we have our feeding, you can't really see, I'll poke my finger. We have this one right here, and we have this one on this side. Then we're going to go through with our other ones. So we have our top ones. We have this one right here. We have this one right here. And then those bottom 2 that I showed you already. So now we're nearing the end. Now you're going to want to put 2 more holes at the top for our string to be across so we can hang it on a tree. So we'll put one right there, Okay, so I grabbed a measuring cup so it can just pour in easy with the little spout. So that is what I will do. Pour all of this in here. And then we'll just go nice and easy. So now we have our bird feeder. And our holes look like a pretty decent size. It didn't fall out as I did it. Put this here. So our hole, you can see it's right there. So since that might be a little too small, I'm going to go in here and just widen it up a little bit. So now I'm going to go find somewhere to hang this, and we will see the final product. So this is our final product. We have our water bottle bird feeder with our perches here and our feeding holes for the birds to get to. And that is the end of my tutorial on how to make a water bottle bird feeder. My sustainability project idea is a part of the sustainability category because it reduces the amount of plastic water bottles or plastic pollution that is emitted into the atmosphere. By using this plastic water bottle as a bird feeder, to keep the bird's food inside of it so the bird can eat from there. That means that that's one less water bottle that is being tossed into the ocean or being broken down inside of soil and having the pollutants run off into groundwater, or having the pollutants being emitted into the atmosphere and affecting animals and humans in the process. So by having that be one less water bottle that goes towards that, this project is sustainable. And it fits in with the Act Local, Think Global, because having a plastic water bottle bird feeder seems like something really small and minuscule. But on a global level, that means that it's one less water bottle that isn't going to be polluting the atmosphere or harming animals and humans in the process. So therefore, that is why my plastic water bottle bird feeder idea is sustainable. And I really hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make one for your own home. Thank you.